Ikinya ria kuhituka kwa watho ria riu ukuhe bengi wiyathi wa gutua muigana wa njoherera iria ciririhagio akombi nirituthurite urugari muingi makiria kuma kuri ahuri biacara, amwe makiona tari ikinya ria kumahinyiriria, na muthenya wa ira watho ucio urahetukire thutha wa ithabu ria ambunge kwaga kuigana cikaro-ini. No Speaker Justin Muturi niareganite na uhoro wa ati ambunge matinaheo ihinda ria kuigana gutua kana ni makuregana na watho ucio. Maya mahanikite o riri ngwataniro ya mabengi guku bururi-ini KBA ikeneire ikinya ria watho uyu kuhetuka, no makauga ati ni makuramata muigana wa njoherera iria cireheanagwo hatari kuhinyiriria akenya, undu uria uhimbiirio ni President Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta.
They fear that banks will become unreasonable. They don't have that chance because pricing for banks is not something you wake up and just decide, throw a dice.
And the Kenya Bankers Association for your stated commitment to moderate loan pricing going forward. I believe that this is an important first step towards self-regulation.
Mugaru na guoya uria ugumeire akenya ingi wigie ati njoherera yaya kumahinyiriria, KBA yugite ati kuma mwaka wa 2016 riria mehereirio wiyathi wa njoherera iria maritagia, mamilioni ma akenya makoretwo makioya ngombo cia goro ona makiria.
Between 2016 and today, during the era of the rate cap, there's 1 million customers that used to be able to borrow that are no longer borrowing. It's 1 million customers. That's a large number. Where have those customers gone to? I can tell you, they're in shelves, they're in the tellers, they're in the branch, paying 70%, 100%. That's where those customers are.
Bengi cikoretwo cigikombithia thirikari na njira nene cikiuga ati hau noho hatari na ugwati wa hathara ya kwaga kurihwo, undu uria ucungiriirie aingi ao njuria nini gwikora matekuheo ngombo na kuhinyiririka makiria. Riu ataramu makiuga ati wiyathi uyu ni ukuhingura mieke ya ngombo kuri onjuria aya, ona gutuika urugari wa kiuteti no uronekana guthiururukiria undu uyu na njira nene. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.